If you find this video on your FYP, please do me a favor, share it to just one lady. You could be saving a sister. What you need to know before you ever conceive. Unfortunately, there are some of our sisters who conceived but find it difficult to carry on with that pregnancy or having some 1 or 2 complications. Some have had multiple miscarriages. Some, when they put to bed, they find it very difficult to take care of that baby, up to the level they might even go abandon the child somewhere else. What you need to do before you conceive. 1, you need to be ready mentally and psychologically for pregnancy. Any lady who've conceived before, who've had child before, or maybe kids before, will tell you that pregnancy is not just you carrying that baby. It entails many things. Why? Because there are hormonal changes in your system, and these hormonal changes do affect you. So you need to be ready mentally and psychologically. Imagine you start just hitting somebody whom you've been some sort of not having any problem with this person before. That could be due to hormonal changes in your body. Because there are a lot of mood swings once you become pregnant. So if you are not mentally prepared, mentally ready, this might have a big toll on you. Another thing you need to be ready for before you conceive is for you to be financially ready. Your financial readiness is very important because pregnancy can surprise you. You can have some few pregnancy complications which will need you to do emergency funding. You have to fund that pregnancy with an immediate effect. Imagine you being pregnant and you have threatened miscarriage. You will not just sit there. You will have to go to the hospital. You have to consult and make sure that that is handled. If not, you miscarry that baby. So financially, you have to be ready. Your pregnancy might be going well, then suddenly a doctor says you need emergency operation for CS to deliver your baby. That needs money. If you are not ready financially, if you are not prepared financially, you may start begging money, and delays could even cost life of your wife as a man, or cost your life as a lady. So you have to be ready financially. The next thing is you have to be ready medically. If you are not ready medically, you could have a miscarriage just because you didn't do the proper thing. Let's say, for example, your blood group is rhesus negative. You've had maybe an abortion before, or maybe you've had a child when you're still very young. Now, you've not given that history to your doctor because you have not gone to the hospital to do your necessary check. Now you're pregnant and you're just going through with your pregnancy, only for you to realize that what you had before, the pregnancy you had before when you're still young, has caused your blood to be synthesized because you are rhesus negative, and your doctor was supposed to take care of this by making sure that the anti-D serum is given while you are pregnant and eventually when you put to bed, in order to reduce the risk. So there you go. Now there is a very high probability for you to have another miscarriage. Imagine you not being ready medically, and because you had some complications earlier on in life, and these complications affects you such that you will find it difficult carrying this baby to term, only for your doctor to tell you that no, don't need to do you a CS. But if you have done your earlier checkups, it will prevent such things like doing a CS, because your doctor will tell you everything you need to know and the necessary steps will be taken. So before you conceive, please make sure that you have done your medical checkup in order to avoid something like miscarriages, other pregnancy complications, avoid things like ectopic pregnancy, and avoid also sickle cell. Because if your genotype is AS, your husband AS, then there is a chance for you to have a child as a sickler. So being prepared before you ever conceived, it is necessary. I wish every lady trying for a baby the very best. May the good Lord make it much more easier for you. Don't forget to share, don't forget to follow. Use the number on the screen, pay for a one-on-one session if you are interested in us discussing on WhatsApp. For those who are in Cameroon, you can visit me if you're in Bamenda, Cameroon. May God bless you. Do have a beautiful day. Thank you.